Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us today learn about equivalent fractions. What do we see here? A part of elephant shown in puzzle form. But one part of the puzzle is missing. Here comes that missing part. How much was that one part out of total 3 parts? So I can say the missing part was 1 out of 3. Let us take the same picture, but now, although the same part is missing, but it is further divided in smaller parts like this 1, 2 and 3. The same picture gets completed, but this time, how many parts were missing? 3 parts were missing out of how many total parts do we see? We see 9 total parts. So the missing part was 3 out of 9. In both the cases, when we see that the given part is same in size and shape and the missing part is also exactly same. But in the first image, we have one part of puzzle missing out of 3, and in the second image we have 3 parts of the puzzle missing out of 9. So I can say that this 3 out of 9 or this 1 out of 3 both are equal, right? Shall we take one more example to understand this concept? Let's do it. What do you see here? It is a watermelon. I cut it into 2 halves and I select 1 half. So, 1 out of 2. Simple. Now, what I do is, I cut each of the part further into 2 parts. That is, I cut the watermelon in 4 parts and I select 2 parts out of the 4 parts. So, it is 2 upon 4. Now, I cut this further into 2 parts each. That is, the watermelon is cut totally into how many parts? 8 parts. And I have selected 4 parts out of 8 parts. Right? What did we do here to the watermelon? First, we cut in 2 parts. Those 2 parts were further cut, so totally we had 4 parts. Each of these were further cut in 2 parts to make a total of 8 parts. In each case, we selected half of the number of parts. In the first one, I selected 1 out of 2, then 2 out of 4, and then 4 out of 8. In each case, half of the watermelon was selected. So, can I say 1 upon 2 will be equal to 2 upon 4 will be equal to 4 upon 8.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.